Hi guys, it's your girl Amelia. That's the Cherokee County Sheriff. Anyway, just wanted to show everybody. See my compressor? Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Yep, it died. So we're gonna get a bypass pulley to put a new serpentine belt so we can drive around. But yeah, this is what a 1998 Pontiac Grand Prix AC compressor looks like. It died, and there's no movement, so the belt can't rotate on this pulley. Yep. So we're waiting on the part. Just wanted everybody to know. Look. Greasy hands. Bye. That's Tiny Whiny. Alright guys, keep doing your thing. Bye.